common moorhen, Gallinula galeata, also known as the common gallinule, is a medium-sized waterbird found in wetlands, ponds, and marshes across the Americas. Recognizable by its dark plumage, bright red facial shield, and yellow-tipped beak, this bird is an excellent swimmer despite not having webbed feet. Instead, its long toes help it navigate through aquatic vegetation and even walk on floating plants. Moorhens are omnivorous, feeding on a mix of aquatic plants, insects, small fish, and even carrion. They are also known for their loud, sometimes comical squawks and aggressive territorial behavior, often chasing off intruders with quick bursts of speed across the water. One fascinating trait of common moorhens is their cooperative parenting. While a breeding pair typically builds the nest, their older offspring from previous broods sometimes stay behind to help raise the next generation. This behavior, known as alloparenting, increases the survival chances of the chicks by providing them with extra protection and feeding assistance. Common moorhens play a vital role in their ecosystems by helping control insect populations and spreading plant seeds through their droppings. They also serve as an important food source for predators such as herons, alligators, and larger birds of prey. By keeping wetland habitats healthy and balanced, moorhens contribute to biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Here are some sounds common moorhens make.